She on me, yeah, she's moving kinda thirsty. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. They don't wanna see me win, nah. They don't wanna see me winning, yeah. I wanna be at the top, yeah. So I ain't got no time for chilling, no. Every day I'm on my grind, cause I wanna live right. Just me and my guys.
Hey guys, welcome to Mapsy here. We do Mapsy gang, Mapsy mafia, you know how we do, we stay slick with it. Okay, I just feel like, yeah, it just makes me look more like glam, like, you feel me? Subscribe, Mapsy gang, Mapsy mafia. Also, I want to say a big thank you to everyone that voted for me, as I won influencer of the year, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you girl, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm probably going to do a full video talking about that, just like a little chit chat, thank you type thing. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Is brush out my hair. Gonna brush it all the way out, and I'm probably going to tuck it behind my ears because this is like very focused on my makeup. I don't want to do too much with my hair, so I'm literally gonna just do my baby hairs and also tuck it behind my ears so that, you know.
Well, hi.
When are you wrapping your gifts? Do you need help?
What do you mean, do I need help wrapping my gifts? Actually, yeah, do you lot want to wrap my gifts?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Wrap them for you. But we don't know what's for who.
Okay, let me tell you what's for who.
Yeah.
Does my makeup look nice?
Do you even have wrapping paper?
So yeah, going with my got to be glued first with the toothbrush and carve out my edges. And once I've done this, I'll go over that with the Dr. Miracle's edge control, and this literally sticks my edges there for life, like they will not move. All of the hair information will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. You guys already know I've got the coupon codes, I've got the bargain, I've got everything you need to know about the hair. It's going to be in there, make sure to check it out.
About the rest, nah, I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. Ask her around in my town with the best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah, I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. So you know I put in work for the cake, yeah. I don't really care what they say, yeah. Soon be the best in the game, yeah. I know some guys with tools and they spray, yeah. So you know I put in work for the cake, yeah. I don't really care what they say, yeah. Soon be the best in the game, yeah. I know some guys with tools and they spray, yeah. Oh, why they wanna do me dirty? I know a couple brothers wanna hurt me. I heard a couple brothers wanna burst me. I ain't got no time to move lucky. I be chasing mullah. I thought you already heard me. Painting called Shirley. She on me, yeah, she's moving kinda thirsty. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. They don't wanna see me win, nah. They don't wanna see me winning, yeah. I wanna be at the top, yeah. So I ain't got no time for chilling, no. Every day I'm on my grind, cause I wanna live right. Just me and my guys, real soon we gon' shine, yeah. They can never bring me down, they can never bring me down. They never used to holler at man, nah. The galley they be ringing me now. They can never bring me down, they can never bring me down. They never used to holler at man, nah. The galley they be ringing me now. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. She on me, yeah, she's moving kinda thirsty. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. Ask her around in my town with her best, yeah. We don't really give a fuck about the rest, nah. I don't really wanna see my mama stress, no. So you know I put in work for the bread jar, yeah. They don't wanna see me win, nah. They don't wanna see me winning, yeah. I wanna be at the top, yeah. So I ain't got no time for chilling, no. Every day I'm on my grind, cause I wanna live right. Just me and my guys, real soon we gon' shine, They can never bring me down. They can never bring me down. They never